Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Learn English with Kaur, and today I'm going to talk about that how can you become fluent from zero. How can you become fluent from zero to fluent? Okay, so watch this video till the very end, and I hope you all guys are good and learning this language in a great way and in an interesting way. So let's get started our video without squandering a single minute of time. So let's get started. But before starting, I just want to tell you one thing, that please guys support me, support my channel, and share my videos as much as you can, because if you will share my video, that would be a kind of support for me to grow my channel. And I want to get monetize my channel as soon as possible, because it's gonna be 1 year, but I didn't completed the I do not complete the all requirements which are required for to get monetized this channel. So please guys help me. And so now let's get started. Now here I just want to say that please share my videos, because that's gonna help me a lot to grow my channel. And thank you guys. So now let's get started. So number one, let me talk about my whole journey, that how I have improved my English from zero. Okay, so firstly, when I just started learning English, I had zero knowledge about English. I didn't know what kind of sources should I use for learning English, what kind of videos should I watch to learn English. I was totally lost in all of these things. I was wondering in YouTube that what kind of video should I first watch. Okay, but initially I wasn't have any kind of good guidance about it, but I started as how somehow I started. Okay, then I started to watch videos regarding grammar, because at that time I was just think that, oh, grammar is the must thing for improving English, for learning English. But I was totally wrong. Okay, in the first step of learning English, what do you have to do? You just have to listen a lot. You have to listen a lot related to English. You have to listen videos in English. Firstly, when you will listen any video in English, you will get lost in that. Why? Because if you are a beginner and your mother tongue is another language except English, like maybe your mother tongue would be Hindi or Punjabi, Marathi, or maybe another language. So at that time, if you are from Hindi, Punjabi, or another medium in your school, so at that time you will definitely feel difficult to understand English. You will feel that you are getting lost in that. Why? Because you are getting confused with new words, with new sentences in English. So at that time you will think that, oh, what they are saying I can't understand, I'm getting lost in it, and there are many words in with which I'm not familiar. So that is why I think that I can't learn English. So now you shouldn't you shouldn't think like this. If you're getting lost in something while listening to any video, so that's gonna be okay, because that's your initial stage of learning English. You have just started. So if you're understanding, whether you are understanding or not, but it not only gonna work on your listening, it's also gonna work on your speaking skills. Because when you will listen any video in English, it will improve your listening skills. When you will listen new words, you will be get familiar with all of those words. And the second thing, you will get to know how to pronounce any word in English, because you are listening some new words in English. You are getting used to all of those words, and then you will try to speak that. Firstly, you will listen some new words, then your mind will be used to that. Okay, your mind will be used to that after some time. Then your mind immediately tell you that now you should speak this word. You can use this word in your daily conversation. Okay guys, your mind will give you some kind of symbols that yes, now you can speak English. So guys, try to listen English as much as you can. That was my first step. That was my first step when I just started learning English. Okay guys, so it's about me, that how I have started that, and this is the kind of that step that I also suggest you, that you should learn English. You should listen English as much as you can, because it's the only thing that's gonna help you to improve your English. Okay guys, now the next thing, if you're listening any video, okay, if you're listening any video in English, try to repeat the sentences. Try to repeat uh, along the speaker, that what I want to say here. Just play any video, listen any one sentence from that video, then pause that, then repeat that sentence. Play a video, pause a video, then repeat a sentence. Okay guys, now what do you have to do here? You just have to repeat whatever they are saying in English. Okay, you just have to repeat in English. And now the next thing, if you can't do this, I mean to say that if you can't repeat in English, okay, that what they are saying, so try to describe the things in your own words in English. For example, if you are reading any book, okay, you are reading any book that is related to Hindi, you are reading something in Hindi, but you can describe that thing in English. How could you describe that? For example, you are reading any story related to playing football, and there is a one book in which you are reading, okay, and there would be one picture, and in that picture there would be some parents, some children, there would be green grass, ground, football, and many other things. So firstly, try to name the objects. Okay, in that book there would be one photo, and in that photo there would be some things. So try to recall the name of those things. Okay, like children, football, parents, grass, and the ground. So there are five words that you have. Then try to make sentences at your own. Now you have five words, then try to make sentences by using those words. Try to make simple words. Okay, start from simple sentences. For example, you have your first word, that is football, so you can say that there is a one football. Okay, then you have your second word, that is a grass, there is also a green grass on the ground. Now you have your third word, that is parents. So you can say that parents are sitting on the stairs of stadium. Okay, then fourth, children. Children are playing with the football. So now you have four words, and you have used those four words in your sentences in a very simple way. So this is how you are gonna learn how to describe something in English. Okay, it's very simple. I'm not saying that you have to start from difficult sentences. You have to start from you should start making complex sentences. I'm not saying like that. Try to make sentences as simple as you can make. Okay, because that's gonna help you to build up your fluency. That's gonna help you to structure the new sentences. Okay, firstly you will make simple sentences, then you will make some difficult sentences, then you will make some complex sentences. Okay, so there are some stages. That's how you gonna learn. Firstly, start from the simpler things, then try to be difficult, then complex. Okay, this is how you gonna learn. There are many stages by which you can improve your English at your own by just sitting at your home. Okay guys, what do you have to do? You just have to put your efforts. Now here I can say that you can learn English effortlessly, but you have to put your efforts. You have to immerse yourself in English. You have to think that you should have burning desire in your mind that yes, I have to learn English. Somehow I will learn. I don't know how many time it will get to learn English, but I will learn English. I don't know how, but I will learn it as soon as possible. I will learn all the things related to English, because English is most important thing for me these days. And why I'm saying like that, English is the most important thing these days, because if you will want to get any if you want to get any job, in any field. So firstly you have to learn English, because there are all the interviews, many interviews which are given by the individuals in English. And if you are going to give an interview, so firstly there would be some questions which would be asked to you by the teacher or by anyone, which would be in English. So you have to answer those questions in English. Okay, mainly all the interviews are taken by the individuals in English in every field. Okay guys, so you have to learn English. Somehow you have to learn, you have to build your own methods. Okay, then you would be able to say someone that yes, I have learned English at my own without spending a single penny. I have learned English at my home without going anywhere. Okay guys, I'm living in a village, and when I have just started learning English, I was at the zero level. But now I am here. Now I'm able to speak in front of anyone. I am able to have conversation with anyone. How it was possible, how it is possible? It is possible. Why? Because I have learned it at my own. I have built my own ways. I'm not saying that I have built all of my ways at my own. I have watched a lot of videos, and now my experience is speaking. Okay, my experience is speaking in front of all of you. That is why I'm making videos related to learning English. That is why I'm saying that if your mind is going blank, if your mind is going blank whenever you are trying to speak in English, so that's okay. Even I am making mistakes while I'm making any video. As you can see, I'm fumbling in between. Okay, I'm fumbling while I'm recording any video, but I am posting all of my videos. Why? Because I want to tell you that how I am learning. I want to tell you that how I am practicing. I am practicing by just recording videos. Okay guys, so if you want to practice, if you want to record yourself, you can record yourself. Then just create your own channel on YouTube, and then try to post that video on YouTube. Okay, because if you will share your experience, if you will share with others that how you are learning, it's gonna help you a lot to improve your skills, to improve your English skills. Okay, firstly you are working on your skills, and secondly there would be any person who will feel motivated after watching your video in English, because you are making mistakes but you are speaking. And confidence is the main thing for learning anything. Okay, if you will post any video in English by just speaking in English, whether you are speaking that whether you're speaking or whether you're making sentences in a wrong structure, but you are speaking, that's gonna enough thing for you for learning English. So guys, now what I want to say here, try to follow these two steps. Firstly listening, and second one is speaking. These two things are gonna help you a lot. Okay guys, and now what should be the next thing? If you're listening a lot in English, and if you're speaking a lot in English, next thing is try to describe some particular topics in English. Okay, firstly just pick out one topic, then try to describe that topic in your own words. Try to learn some vocabulary words about that topic from ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is that kind of artificial intelligence by using which you can learn any topic in a detail. So firstly just pick out any one topic that is you think that yeah, it's a particular topic. About this I could speak. I have something to speak about it, so I can speak about it in English. So just pick out that topic, then try to write some sentences about that topic. Try to add some vocabulary words about that topic. But if you are not familiar with those vocabulary words, so try to get the right definition about that vocabulary. Okay, then try to use that vocabulary in your sentences. Then the next thing what you have to do, just record your audio. Okay, describe the topic in English. And I want to, what I want to say here, I'm just saying that try to write about that. Try to write about that, then read that, then record your audio, then listen that. Where are you making mistakes in English? Where are you structuring the sentence in a wrong way? Where are you using any kind of wrong verb? So that's how you're gonna improve your English. That's how you're gonna work on your English. That's how you're gonna work on your fluency, guys. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. And if you like this video, please share this and subscribe my channel and like my video and share this video as much as you can, because it's gonna help me a lot, as I want to get monetized my channel. So that is why I have to complete the watch hours, but watch hours are not completed yet. So please guys, help me to complete this requirement. And thanks